Some homeowners like to add a little tropical look to their backyard, and one way to do that is by adding the hardy bird of paradise, or Caesalpinia gillesii. And you can see it has a very delicate foliage with the pinnately compound leaf here, and also the yellow flower that has the red stamens coming out of it. Now, it might look like a demure plant, but it's anything but, and it's much tougher than it might look as well, as it will continue to produce flowers throughout the hot summer months for us. It is very drought tolerant, and in fact is hardy to zones 7. Now, in some areas it might actually die back to the ground, but you can protect it a little bit more by having a little more extra mulch on it during those winter months. While this plant can handle a range of soils, you want to make sure to give it plenty of room, as it can get well over 60 inches tall and 60 inches wide, even if it does die back to the ground each winter. This plant is a great addition if you're looking to add a little bit of tropical paradise to your backyard that's low maintenance, relatively pest-free, and also drought tolerant.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.